horizontal video. I'm gonna get my stuff together, y'all, I promise. Thanks for tuning in to another video. This is going to be long tones for the beginners. This will be your long tones number 1, lines 1 and 2. For the 7th and 8th grade bands, you guys can also utilize this to work on your long tone A, B, and C. I will send a separate video for you guys for long tone D. This beat is not new. I use this for the beginner trombone class and the beginner tuba euphonium class, and it features the voices of students from the beginner trombone class. I miss you guys dearly, and please reach out. I want to hear from you guys. Follow your reminds. I want to hear you play. I want to know how you're doing. So reach out. Do it again.